Peak is booming right now, and whether you're a new player or haven't played the game yet, this list of all items and what they do will put you on the best track possible. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps you. How basic item interaction. First things first, to pick up any item, just press E. To activate it, right click your mouse. Some items will require you to hold right click to fully use them, so make sure to test each one out to see how it functions. Key items you'll encounter. Antidote. If you're poisoned, use an antidote to remove the poison status effect. Keep this on hand during dangerous runs. Bandages. For quick healing, use bandages to restore 12 health points when you're injured. Always handy to have in your inventory. Cure-all. This cure-all is a game changer. It fully restores stamina and heals all status effects except for the bag weight. Keep one of these when you're in a pinch. Utility and helpful items. Anti-rope spool. This anti-rope spool shoots a rope upwards for climbing. Perfect for scaling obstacles or reaching higher points. Ancient Effigy. The Ancient Effigy can revive dead players at a campsite. If no one has died, you get a mystical item instead. A great item for keeping your team alive. Bandages. Use bandages to heal a bit of damage. They heal 12 health points, so always have some stocked up. Bugle of Friendship. This item grants infinite stamina to nearby players for 10 seconds when played. Perfect for those tough, stamina-draining moments. Pirate's Compass. The Pirate's Compass points you to the nearest sealed luggage, which can be vital for finding resources or completing objectives. If this is helping so far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Special items for team play, Scout Effigy. Use the Scout Effigy to revive one dead player, another lifesaver for your team when you need to bring someone back into the game. Cursed Skull. The Cursed Skull is an instant death for the user, but it can revive any dead teammates. It's risky but effective when used in the right circumstances. Campfire. A campfire boosts your team's morale, but make sure everyone is near it to activate the bonus. It's great for boosting your team's performance during long runs. Exploration items. Magic Bean. Throw a magic bean on a surface and it will grow into a climbable beanstalk. Perfect for getting to higher places or avoiding obstacles. Rope Cannon. The rope cannon shoots an arrow that drops a rope down, letting you climb up or down. Essential for vertical movement. Chain Cannon. The chain cannon shoots a long chain that pins to the ground, allowing you to climb it like a vine. A handy way to get across difficult areas. Status and buff items heat pack. Use the heat pack to remove frost status effects. Keep one of these around if you're in cold environments. Fairy Lantern. This lantern heals all status effects for nearby players, but it's a slow process. Use it when you need to clear debuffs. Lantern. A lantern provides light, but it also helps to remove frost from nearby players, essential for nighttime or frosty runs. Step 7. Miscellaneous and fun items. Bing Bong. While the Bing Bong doesn't serve any real purpose, it unlocks the Bing Bong badge when you complete the peak with it in your inventory. Banana Peel. Place a banana peel on the ground and it will slip up players who step on it. A fun item but can mess up your enemies or teammates in a pinch. Blowgun. The blowgun causes extreme temporary sleep to enemies, perfect for disabling opponents or gaining a strategic advantage. That's how you use all the items in PEAK. There will probably be more items as time moves forward, so stay tapped in with me with a sub.